bag. Good morning. Whew. Welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Aubrey if you're new here. If you are new, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't and follow me on Instagram. My lips are so dry I can't even talk. I'm gonna put my Laneige lip mask on. I have the apple one right now, which I've never had before. Okay, much better. Today's my reset day. Time to clean, time to organize, time to relax. I'm gonna take Brooks out for a walk right now, and then we're gonna start the day. We're doing laundry, we're gonna clean. No makeup today. Sweatsuit. This is my Dairy Girl sweatsuit. I love. But yeah, let's get started. My face feels puffy. Hopefully the cool air will help with that. And let's go. I'm gonna take Brooks out. He's gonna get a bath today. Lots of fun stuff. So we got Thai for dinner. I'm freaking starving, so excited. Pad see ew, spring rolls and pad thai. Not gonna put it in another bowl, just eating it like this because I'm starving. All right, we're headed to lunch. Going to the Modern, bar room at the Modern. Gotta leave now, so here's the fit. Oversized blazer, black pants, boots because it's snowing, this little like sweater thing, and then I'm gonna take my hair down when I get there, but this is a little business fit. And then bag and inhaler. All right, let's go. It's been all day. So I didn't film very much, but we went to the Modern, which is a really amazing restaurant that's in the MoMA, or it's like, I don't know if it's in the MoMA, but it's a part of the MoMA. And we ate at their bar room for their restaurant week lunch. It was really great. I had the tart and the chicken, and then we had a dessert. It was really good. And then we ended up going to Uniqlo, which was across the street, because I've been wanting to get more heat tech. If you know, Uniqlo has this like these clothes that keep you really warm. They also have Airism, which keep you really cool. They just have really great fabrics for clothes. So yeah, I picked up a pair of like leggings and long sleeves, but now it's 9 o'clock. We still haven't eaten because we did eat at 2. We ate a pretty hefty lunch, and now we're hungry, so I think we're just gonna, but we don't have much in the apartment, so I think I'm just gonna make pancakes for dinner. Apple pancakes, which is our favorite. I'm gonna throw on a sweatshirt because I'm freezing, but I'm wearing my Skims set, but I'm really cold. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna make some pancakes. My stash of clothing, I'm really like exposing myself right now, but I need to put those away. But I haven't had breakfast for dinner in a long time, and I'm not too hungry, but I just like need something else before bed. So pancakes it is. Look at the snow. There is a winter storm here in New York, but we are trekking out to go to brunch. We had reservations at Balthazar and I've been dying to try it, so we're gonna go. I'm wearing this cat suit with my heat tech under it. I'm wearing this cat suit with heat tech turtleneck under and leggings, heat tech leggings. So hopefully I'll be warm enough. I'm gonna put a hat and coat on and we're gonna go.